Hey guys, it's Tara at Great American RV. I'm at the Huntsville location. I have the Stetson. A couple of the things I love about the Stetson is I do love the color package they put in it. The awning is beautiful with the burgundy and the rust. And I do love the details of all the cowboys that they did to it. The door itself I think is just so cute. But come on inside and I'll give you a tour. The Stetson does come with a hatch, which I love. When we don't have air running on the summer days when we're giving tours, it just lets in such a nice breeze. It's nice. And if you're a fisherman, if you're gonna be kayaking or have a bike and you don't have the room on the back of your truck, the table does move and you can fit a kayak in here and you can fit several bikes. It also comes with real leather seating, and you're not gonna understand how soft and how comfortable this is until you come see it, but it's amazing. I also love the handcrafted cabinets that come in all the Airstreams. But this one comes with a copper sink that has been hammered. I think it's beautiful. I also love all the faucets that they chose for this model. I think it carries over just like the old time faucets. There's also the cowboy hat storage. Now, if you are not a cowboy, you can remove it, do your blankets, do some display items up there. But the cowboy hat holder I think is awesome. If you are a hat person, it doesn't have to be cowboy hats. Maybe you have some of those like garden party hats, perfect for it. Now at Great American, all of our Airstreams are ordered with the solar and with the lithium batteries. It will come with the Victron energy system, so it'll kind of show you what's coming in. That way you can keep track. This one comes with 300 watts of solar, so that's a nice feature. Also, I tell people the batteries, the water tanks, those are all heated. So this is going to be very close to a 4-season camper. If you are plugged in, you won't have any problems. The only thing that runs off propane is going to be your cooktop and your heat. So that's the only thing that's going to hit the propane. It will also come with your convection oven, which means it's a microwave and it's an oven. So you can use it for whichever one you like. I love the storage that comes in this bad boy. Now this right here you're going to hear is a 10-pound pull. So you're not hurting anything. What that means is if you're going down the road, you really have to hit something for those to open. You have the double-sided closet. It also has a 12-volt fridge. It's a nice size. Now, if you're going camping and you have a bigger family, you're good to go for, I would say, at least a week. I do love that it has a freezer because not all of us are cookers, so if you want to have some pizzas in there, you have room for that. On this one, because it is a 27-footer, you do have the 2 ACs with a 50-amp service. So if you're worried about your bedroom being a little warmer or your living room, I do love that they are separated. You also have the curtains between the bedroom and the bathroom. So if you're in this area, you can close off both sides and have your privacy. The bathroom I think is nice. You have your shower. The bathroom has a lot of cute features. It has a horse towel holder, which I think is adorable. I also love the cloud mural that they did in there. They just really carried the details through for this to be like country, to be cowboy themed. I think they did a really good job. And if you are a pillow lover, you're gonna love this bedding. I've never seen so many pillows coming in Airstream. They are all soft and beautiful. With the queen bed, there is the storage underneath, which I think is really nice. If you have a wardrobe, like say you're taking winter stuff, but it's maybe spring, you have the room under the bed to put some bins to put your other items. With the Stetson, you do have the 2 end tables. Both sides have their own plugins, and it has the 110 in the USB power. If you have a CPAP or if you have something that you need to run at night, maybe a sound machine, you have the room to set those up and still be out of the way, which I think is nice. You also have your overhead storage, lights up, which I think is really cool. I do love that you have 2 reading lights. So if you have one that you want to turn off and on, you don't have to bother, whoever's with you. I also love these little lights. I think they're very cute. So a lot of features. You also have 2 smart TVs in this one. So if you have Wi-Fi, you can also set up Starlink. You can play Netflix, Hulu, whatever you might want to do. You also have your emergency exit, which is a really nice feature. Every Airstream will have one of these, and you don't know how important it is until you need it. So all you have to do is pull that. Don't pull it unless you need to. And then you have an easy way to get out. Some people ask me, like, why would you pay over $100,000 for a camper? Airstream just has so many features. I don't know if people know this, over 78% of Airstreams that were ever made are still out there. They're still on the road. I don't know any other name brand that can really say that. Also, your resale value is going to be there. We have several used for sale in the company, anywhere from $70,000 to like $110,000 for some models. So that resale value is there. Airstream has been around for over 40 years. Like, they are in the same factory, the same people that are working it. You can trust in that brand. If you guys need an Airstream or if you have any questions, come see us at Great American RV, Huntsville. I am your Airstream specialist. We would love to help you.